Hi, good morning. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Monday. You got it. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Super. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Super duper duper. Okay, and what month are we in? We're in the month of November. Let's read the date together. Are you ready? Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. Super good. All right, now, how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. Super. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? Do you know? 5. Get up. Dance with me. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. And when we mark, what do we mark the short sound with? We mark it with the happy face. Super. Okay, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here's our vowels. Remember, it's really important to learn the sound. So focus on the sounds. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound as in apple. A says ah. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound as in elephant. What does the elephant say? E says eh. The name of this letter is I. It makes a sound as in inchworm. I says eh. The name of this letter is O. It makes a sound as in ostrich. O says ah. Good job. The name of this letter is U. It makes a sound as in umbrella. U says ah. Very good. Good looking, everybody. Now, here's our consonants. The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says boo. The name of this letter is C. It makes a sound k, as in cat. C says k. Good job. The name of this letter is D. It makes a sound D, as in dog. D says d. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound as in fox. F says. The name of this letter is G. It makes a sound G, as in goat. G says G. The name of this letter is H. It makes a sound as in horse. H says. The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J, as in jar. J says J. The name of this letter is K. It makes a sound K, as in kite. K says K. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound as in milk. M says The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R as in ring. R says R, R, R. The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. S says S, S, S. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter is V. It makes a sound V as in violin. V says V, V, V. Our new letter, the name of this letter is W. It makes a sound W as in wagon. W says W, W, W. What-ka-do, what-ka-do. Did you hear that song? Those funny words that start with W. I like that song. Okay, now, here is our new blend. Wesley Weasel. Wesley Weasel. Let's say these together. Can you sing them with me? Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Super. And we can make words with blends. Look at this. This is the letter T that makes a sound. T, t, t. What if we put this T next to this blend? What does it say? Wet, wet, wet. You got it. Did you get wet in the rain? Wet. And what about this? This is the letter N that makes a sound. What if we put this letter right next to this blend? Win. I can win. Win. Yay. Alrighty then. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to do all our blends. Let's do them together. You guys are amazing. Are you ready? Let's do them. This is Victor Vulture. Va, ve, ve, va, va. Va, va, ve, ve, va. Super. Jerry Jaguar. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Manny Monkey. Ma, me, me, ma, ma. Ma, ma, me, me, ma. Tony Tiger. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Super. Kathy Cat. Ka, ke, ki, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ki, ke, ka. Super duper. Freddie Fox. Hi, Freddie Fox. How are you doing today? Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. Super. Rosie Rabbit. Ra, ra, re, ra, ra. Ra, ra, re, ra, ra. Gary Goat. Ga, ga, ge, ga, ga. Ga, ga, ge, ge, ga. Super Sammy Seal. Sa, sa, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, sa, sa. Wow! Henrietta Hen. Ha, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, ha. Super duper. Danny dog. Da, da, din, da, da. Da, da, din, da, da. Nester nest. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Berry bear. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Lucy lamb. Hi, Lucy lamb. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. And we did them all. You guys are so amazing. Great readers. Okay, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay, we're going to read some words together. And then look what I have here on the whiteboard. It's an ice cream cone. And if you pay attention and read the words with me, we can put a lot of ice cream, scoops of ice cream. Okay, you want to see the scoops of ice cream? Okay, so pay attention. Read the words with me. Cat. Fan. Had. Jam. Man. Nap. Pam. Ran. Sack. Set. Van. Wag. The dog can wag his tail. Wax. You did them all. Okay, since you guys were such good readers, you get to help me put ice cream scoops on the ice cream. Let's start with some strawberry ice cream. Look at that. And what else should we put on there? Some orange ice cream. Ooh, another scoop of orange ice cream. And what else? How about some lemon ice cream? Ooh, it's getting higher. Ooh, that is a huge ice cream. It even went up to letters and sounds. Should we put some bubblegum ice cream here on the side? Ooh, bubblegum ice cream. That is, and some blueberry ice cream. Ooh, let's put some blueberry ice cream over here. Look at our giant ice cream cone. Can you lick it with me? Ooh, it's delicious. I'm licking my ice cream cone. Wow. Okay, now, letters and sounds, page 49. Actually, Teacher Christy, it says pages, and I forgot that we're going to do 2 pages today. Okay, so we're going to do pages 48 and 49. 48 and 49. Okay, so get your letters and sounds book out. There it is. Okay, and open it up to page 48. Is it part of the 40 family? 48. Okay, you guys, do you have it? Okay, 1, match the pictures whose names begin with the same letter. Okay, I'll tell you the words of the pictures and you decide and you match them together, okay? Here we go, repeat with me. Yawn. I'm yawning. Yawn. Yell. Ah! Yell. Umbrella. Umbrella. You decide the two that begin with the same sound. Okay, here's the next one. Penguin. Penguin. And this is a hairbrush. Hairbrush. And there's a pig. Pig. Which two begin with the same sound? You decide and match them up. Okay, here's the next one. Vegetables. Vegetables. Fan. Fan. Volcano. Volcano. Which two begin with the same sound? Okay, here's the next one. Wave. Wave. Hug. Hug. Wash. Wash. Which two begin with the same sound? You decide. Okay, number 2, fill in the circle under the correct word. Okay, you have to decide which word goes with the picture. This one is kick. 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 Good. This one is gas. 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 And the last one is sock. 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 Okay, good job. And now we're doing an evaluation. Okay, parents, you do not need to mark anything up here. I will do that when you bring your books in. But if there's a mistake, just remember to put a little X and have the child correct it. And then circle it when it's corrected. Circle the X so that it's right. Okay? Here we go. Circle the blend your teacher says. But first of all, make sure to write your name at the top and don't forget the date. Okay? Circle the blend your teacher says. Okay, in the blue circle, we're going to circle the blend jet. 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 Good. Next, green circle. Wh. 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 Pink circle. V. 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 Circle the blend. The last circle. Ke. 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 Good job. Next, number 2, fill in the circle next to the correct word. Okay, you decide which word it is and fill in the circle. I'll tell you the words. Hen. Hen. Bag. Bag. Sock. Sock. Can. Can. Well. Well. The last one is deck. 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 Okay, did you do it? Wow, you guys are so amazing. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.